iJewelry, a division of Iris 3D Solutions, has been around since 2013 in Dubai. As a jewelry designing firm, we offer everything from initial designing to 3D modeling, 3D printing, mold making, casting, to a finished product. Technology has forever changed this industry. With the help of 3D printing, we introduced our Arabic jewelry designs to the goldsmiths here in the region. They went from producing 5, maximum 7 new designs to almost 30 new designs a week now. There's nothing more personal than a piece of jewelry. As custom jewelry makers, we really value giving every single piece of jewelry the time and care it needs to be that high-end piece. At Iris 3D Solutions, we shape your imagination.